Systematic withdrawal plan at systematic transfer plan. So kung kanina yung sa systematic investment plan, nag-i-invest ka, naglalagay ka. Ito naman kung gusto mong mag-withdraw. Kung 100,000 yung in-invest mo, so yung dapat mong withdrawin is fixed amount din. Say for instance, 100,000 sarado. Ayan, diba? Pero yung systematic transfer plan, kung isang fund house lang yon, the same fund house, hindi sa iba, pwede kang maglipat ng fund between schemes. Pwede mong ilipat yan. Kung mutual fund. So, yun yung mga importanteng bagay na natututunan natin. No? Pag-aaralan pa natin yung meaning ng fund house. Mamaya, susunod natin. But definitely, it's worth knowing that after graduating Masters in Business Management / Masters in Business Administration, na-recall pa natin o nagkakaroon pa tayo ng bagong knowledge tungkol dito. So, yun lang pa.